How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to improve posture fast and permanently in only 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Okay, to improve your posture, there are a couple of different exercises that we can do. The first one that we want to do is we want to practice raising our chest. So this will be a workout. So when you raise your chest, what happens is a lot of people, their shoulders are forward, they're rounded. By raising your chest, you naturally retract your shoulders and you're actually in the perfect posture position. So we're just going to start off like this, and we're just going to raise our chest. Really emphasize this. So that's 2, 3, and again, you should feel your upper back contract. That's perfect. That's what we want. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do is a reverse chest fly. It's basically squeezing the upper back. So we're going to start off like this. You can do this with resistance bands if you have them. So we're going to go like this, and then we're going to squeeze at the very end. So just like this, and then squeeze your upper back. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And again, your upper back should get a little bit sore if you're not used to doing this. 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we want to do is actually a holding exercise. So again, we're going to raise our chest, so shoulders forward. We're going to raise our chest like this. Then I just want you to hold this position for about 20 seconds. So as you can see, my posture is perfect. I'm raising my chest, my shoulders are retracted, my upper back is contracted. And we're just going to sit here and we're just going to hold this position for, again, about 20 seconds or so. So again, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to go back to raising our chest 10 times. So again, we're going to start off here. We're going to raise our chest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 11. Perfect, you guys. So that is it. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.